Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Berikut ini is about request from Mr. Afif Jul in my YouTube. How about to create geology modeling, and I try to explain here for beginner. Start from create contour number 1, and next geology database management, and then number 3 is data validation, 4 geology modeling, 5 resource estimation. Okay, we start from ArcGIS to show you about the geology map. This is local geologic map. The prospect area is about 451 hectares. This formation is yellow. PB is initial for this formation code. Okay, this area, the yellow color, we try to modeling the ore delineation. Okay, first we must check the data available in this project. First is geology mapping, and then drill hole 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drill hole. Random drill hole. The resource is maybe hypothetical resource, far from measure or and so on, but this only hypothetical resource because long distance data one by one is about this about 569 meters is random data. Okay, no problem. It's just to learn about, to train about geology modeling and resource estimation for beginner. Okay, next we must check the database for drill hole. Okay, this database, raw database, the elevation still 400. This is GPS elevation 350 meters and so on. And this, we have RKD here. RKD is rock quality designation, specific gravity, FA total, FA 203, EL 203, HiO2, TiO2, and lithology. Litho code, yes, this only litho code. EO is iron ore. EO is iron ore. Andesite, AND is andesite. BX is brexy. KO is kaolinite. Kaolin. LEO is laterite iron ore. Okay. We need to use topographical tool. We have dam data here. Data dam. We try to modeling to hillside here. Search hillside. Okay, hillside spatial analysis. Select, and then input raster. Okay, no change here, just okay. Yeah, we have hillside. If overlay by geological map, lithology, the transparent setup display to about 60%. Good. We have morphological for this area. Okay, we start to modeling database management. First, from this database, sorry, I check. Okay, we check the database for input to database in GeoVia. Start from color. Okay, we have column for geodatabase ID or ID here. Y coordinate, X coordinate, Z coordinate. The elevation still use GPS. We must validation here for this data, and then total depth, total drill hole depth. Hole path is linear because no change for direction. Hole type is drill hole. Okay, set up your database like this for color. Okay. Next, survey. Geodatabase ID, total depth. Depth is if normal is minus 90 because it's no change for drill hole sloping, no sloping, just straight line for vertical. Azimuth nil because the drill hole no direction to north, east, or and so on. Geology is initial. Okay. Next, geological database. First, geodatabase ID, drill hole 1. Okay. Sample IFD, sample for core data number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Elevation depth from depth to 021, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 meter depth. Lithology. Okay. Next, we check the assay. Sorry for wrong my spelling in English. Okay, this data for assay. Same with geological, must be the same. The data with geology and assay must be same. The from depth to RQD, rock quality destination, specific gravity, FA total, and so on. Okay. Okay, this is 3 or 4 for file. We must insert to database first. Before start, we must import data from here to GeoVia, the boundary of prospect area. where the iron ore scatter delineation iron ore. Go to the global mapper, open data file in ArcGIS, open Geo Prospect Tutorial 1, okay, geology. This area we only extract this boundary, not over here or another. We must start here, select and delete. Sorry. Okay, or you can delete in Surpak. We try to export with this boundary, export, must be changed to DXF. Boundary iron not boundary or body 1. Okay, boundary or body 1. After that we open the DTM okay, this data and export must be checked first for projection. Okay, I'm wrong, this one must be UTM in meter. Okay, we must start re-export for this boundary DXF boundary or body. Okay, yeah, next we export this dam to data elevation, export elevation grid format X, Y, Z. Okay, no change here, no export bound because data is specific for this area. The top, okay, the name is the top tutorial 1, data topography. Yes, clear. Finish here. We go to the Surpak, select geodatabase tutorial, click right click and set as work directory. Okay, we have elevation data, import data from one file, select this data, open. The name is the top. Okay, no this nil, no number of description, nil. Okay, this delimiter. Okay, we try point, comma. We try The first data in table is x, but this must be y. So tip 2, 1, and 3. Oh, sorry, wrong. If the display from notepad still here, this is not processed to desktop. Okay, start again, import. This might be changed to comma. Less value. This cancel. Import data, comma. Okay. 2, 1, 3. Okay, clear. Check the data. Okay. We try to open this data. Okay, this is data from the DEM to string insert pack. The data is overlapping. The line is overlapping. So we must change to point only. You can see that this spike here, so it must be changed to point only. Okay, select edit, string renumber range. Fill this data 1, 30,003, and then final string to range 30,003. Okay, apply. This data is only elevation, no line, only point data. Next, save file, enter. Yes. Okay. Next, we start to create DTM from layer, because in layer, this data in layer, we start to create DTM from layer. Object ID is 1. Okay. Yellow dark color is DTM, and then save file, enter. Okay, yes, clear. Reset the view, and we have import data from GeoLogical must be import the XF2 string. Select the boundary or body. Okay, and then we open the boundary or body. Okay, we only select this boundary and must be delete the other. Okay, we open the menu, block model, select the menu and database, and then we work in Solid 2. Select classic section, toolbar, create, toolbar for edit. Okay, move this toolbar. Yeah. Okay, we delete the other, but not here. Select delete segment. Okay, not select string. delete string, not delete string, but delete segment. Okay, save file. Next, change the direction of the boundary string direction to clockwise. It's important because processing more faster to clockwise. Boundary or body must be make string clockwise. Apply. Okay, we have data, but this elevation is nil. Check for the elevation. Okay, z is nil, no problem. And string 1 z is nil. Okay, after finish the GTM and or body boundary, we must export this section line to SURPAC, and then we use the global mapper. Open the section. Section. Okay, we have 3 section: A, B, C section. Export to the XF. Section 1. Yes. Okay. Open in SURPAC. Import the XF to string. Section. Okay. Yes. This section still nil elevation. Query. Okay, nil. Okay, next we can drop to the topographical or GTM. Another data must be input to validate is the elevation. The elevation GPS must be changed to drop to GTM, topographical GTM. Okay, start with import data from one file. Select the color and use elevation drill hole is only the name. Description must be 1. Description is for hole ID. Okay, number 1 is hole ID. You can check this hole ID number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is number 1. Coordinate. Okay, start from 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Wrong. It must be point, comma. Okay, start again. Two, 3, 4, 1. Okay, clear. Then open the elevation, drill hole elevation. Okay, we have drill hole elevation but still GPS data. Okay, we start drop. First, start drop grep string over DTM, select desktop tutorial, open section. Okay, section must be export, but section in drip to morphology must be checked. This must be interpolated, new point is must be checked, and then section 1. Okay, section 1, apply, and delete layer. We check the section drip. This okay. Next, surface, we must strip the drill hole elevation drill hole. This is elevation drill hole. Uncheck because only the point for drill hole. Okay, uncheck, apply, yes, apply, open by edit. Okay, the elevation change, select all data and copy to survey to data as color data. This must be line data, text to column, delimited, comma, next, finish. Okay, we have the elevation, new elevation by topographical, copy to here. Okay, and delete, save, yes. Okay, open the elevation after data validation. Okay, the elevation change, query point property, okay. Next we must develop the database, geological database. Open, call the prospect tutorial number 1. Okay, this the database name. Apply. We use Paradox. Okay, use Paradox 5 or Paradox. You try Paradox 5. Apply. This color survey translation is mandatory, but we must develop geology and add assay. Okay, assay, interval, not change. Okay, apply. Yeah, color survey translation style geo assay. Color, no data import, no change, survey no change, translation styles must be changed in geo. Select lithology, litho, character, and then valid entry must be filled with this lithology same with your data. Okay, andesite, brexit, and so on must be the same. Andesite, point, comma, space, back bx, and then so on. Next, assay must be check first the say data. Start from RKD is 1 HG and so on. So he must be RKD. Data is real. Okay, no change. And then add specific gravity real to real is data, not text. If at all, total at F2O at L2O3 at SeO2 and then at TEO. Check the assay data on to TEO2. Okay, clear. 7 ID, if 7 field must be real or okay, clear. Okay, apply. Okay, database is open here, and then we must import data from color, survey, geology, and assay. Okay, this the name must be changed to format. File name is same to tutorial 1. Okay. Report same. Okay, apply. Delimiter, we don't want to import data translation uncheck. Style to uncheck too. We only import color, survey, assay, geo. Change to point, comma. Okay. Apply. Yeah, clear. No change here. Okay. It must be insert. We can change insert update or insert update. If data add, we insert update. But this is the first data import. Only insert. Color, select color. Survey, select survey. Assay, select assay. Geo, apply. Good, no error. 6 drill hole insert. 6 drill hole survey insert, and 289 geological data assay insert, and geology data the same insert too. Clear, no problem. Okay, next we open the database display, drill hole, select color, change the color to pink, no cylinder, color, style, hole ID, select the font is Arial, size must be high, try to 8. Geological pattern is geology, litho, label, start from geology, litho, default is Arial, font size 0.5, and next we only display the FA total assay, select assay, FA total only. We can open all data assay, but It's crowded, too complicated data display. We only modeling the geology and have a total for cross section. This offset must be at to 3 because it's the same is overlapping displaying is offset 1 is offset 3. Okay, no problem. I think no need to display this decimal area. Oh, 0.5 depth marker set up to 5. Major tick is 2. Offset decimal is nil. Default use Arial. The size of font 0.5. Okay, clear. No change here, just apply. Okay, web data bar here. But the color is still same. It must be change the whole display style. Select here, select litho, get field code, right click and select get field code. Okay, and that's it, change and that's it to pink, and that's it to pink, and break sheet to blue, light blue, iron ore to red. Go to yellow, laterite iron ore to orange. Okay, apply. We have brexy, iron ore, laterite iron ore, KO, and so on. Okay, and then we must open the section we have draped to the topographical section. This section we drape, open, okay, connect. But I have the section for ore. Okay, we have section, but we try to develop section. This section A, we start together. Okay, define section, best fit to select the 3 hole. So we can select 3 hole for section accurate. Select this hole and this 3 hole. After select finish, escape. Okay, and then XZ view. Yeah, this position the hole 1 if the map the hole 1 here to the hole 6. The hole 1, the hole 6. Okay, I hope you're happy for this step. Okay, Okay, we start to section from the whole 1 to 6. Must be start to change the string to 2 because this string is 1 and must be changed to 2. Okay, select point snap. Start from iron ore, but in this area Brexit in top, so we must correlation Brexit in the top. Here not Brexit, but we must correct correlation. Okay, start the correlation point. Select the bottom. We must check the angel. Angel is here. Select the check. If your correlation must be checked, the slope of layer is 18 minus 8, about minus 18. Okay, change to plane. The slope must be 18, about 18. Okay, and then move to the top long, because the model block, solid model must be cover all terrain. And okay, and close the current segment. Next section is change string to 3. Start from iron ore, laterite iron ore in the same layer, in the same sequence, and correlation to iron ore here. Okay, IOL laterite. Okay, cross section. The slope is about minus 18. Change to plane, minus 18. Okay, point. Still point. Point, change to plane. Oh, not straight line, must be changed. Change line, select line, move point. Okay, move point to line. Okay, up. Okay, strike line, but still need move. Good. Escape. Select string 4. String 4 for layer 3. We have 1, 2, and next 3 is coordinate. Select point. Start from here. Check for other drill hole. Okay, but small iron ore here. It must be a one sequence. Oh, sorry. If you point but not check the slope, undo. select undo and start. Select create new point and check. The slope is about minus 19. Okay, minus 19. Minus 19. Yeah. Select point. Select plane. This position is thin to thickness here. Okay, but the line still not in straight line. We change line, change to thin layer. Okay, good. Next layer 4 is iron ore. What about this? Okay, iron ore 2 here. Change string 5. Point. This slope is about minus 18. Minus 18. If not straight line, undo and okay, point. Okay. Okay, next andesit, but this is KO. No lithology under the andesit in drill hole 6. Okay, change to 6. String, start point. If no lithology the same, just connect to this side, this point. Okay. Plane, maybe thickness more thick here. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. The other lithology is andesit, which must be the same sequence. Escape, string 7. Point, string 7. About 15 degree for sloping angle. 15. 15 to this line. Okay, select line. Select line. We have to about 15 point O. Okay, and change the point. Plane become thick in this right position. Okay, good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layer here. Okay, after finish, we type SF and apply, enter to section 1. Okay, yes, and section mode. We have 3 sections. Okay, I hope you happy finish for this section, for this process. And we try to file tool to change string direction. Little section 1, little section 1, open, make string clockwise. Okay, clear. Okay, for to modeling the ore body must be create a solid model for this section A, B, C with the same layer, the same lithology and same layer. Start to triangulation inside segment first. Select number 1 object. Select area, close here. Okay. Oh, sorry, not. Undo. It must be number 2. Number 2. Yeah, number 2. Same with string, but not same is okay. But it's only for my control to the layer. Start from 2. Okay. Blue. Select between segment. Select 2. Connect this boundary to this one. Select the side. Okay, and then we have model for layer 1. After finish, save file. This is a Brexy lithology save file. Save file to Brexy section 1, because layer 1 Brexy, but section 1 layer. Okay, save, apply. Okay, finish, reset the graphic, open the BX section 1. Okay, open the little section. Okay, we must model to the other layer. Uncheck BX section. We start to layer 2, triangulate to inside segment layer 2 at 3, I mean 3, inside, must be inside, sorry, setting segment, okay, inside segment, oh, okay, and we correlate this segment to this one and the other between segment number 3. Select the side, select the side of segment, and okay, select the side, okay. After finish, save file. This is the after breaksy is iron ore, okay. Iron ore 6 layer 2, okay, apply, and you finish this section for all, okay. Okay, after finish solid modeling, we have the top is breaksy section layer 1, okay, and then iron ore section 2 layer 2, coordinate section layer 3, layer 4, and layer 5. Okay, we have 5 layer lithology here. Okay, this model must be validated for solid model. Okay, reset all data, open breaksy section 1, must be validation, triangulation, select validate, select valid, check solid, apply, yes, valid. Okay, after validation, save the file. Okay, reset graphic, open the other lithology solid model, iron section 2, okay, validation, select valid, okay, solid, apply, valid, okay. Use this process with the same 3 other solid model. Okay, we review our tutorial for beginner. And we finish create contour using DEM data and geological database management development. We have finished data validation for database and topographical, and we start in number 4 to geology model, and we finish geology modeling we start to Geovian, okay, and if you want to create a block modeling, start the coordinate of the area. We check this area, coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4. This coordinate in UTM. We check the coordinate data in Excel. Coordinate project. Okay, we have coordinate here in UTM. Number X, Y, Z. Z is 0, no problem. Okay, important is number 1. Block modeling start from this point, lowest to highest coordinate, lowest elevation to highest elevation. Maybe here the highest elevation, the lowest. We check the DTM. We have built DTM in the top tutorial. Okay, change the section view, zoom, check the highest about. You check here the elevation in Z. Elevation is about 928. Okay, try start from 940, and the lowest is 664, but more lowest than this DTM. Start from 600. Okay, 600. Okay, 600 to 940 meter. Okay. Okay, start to create block model. Select block model, new, type here block model BM tutorial 1, apply. Create. Okay, check for the lowest coordinate. This one start from Y, number 1, coordinate number 1, paste here. Okay, and then X, paste here, and the lowest elevation is 600, and the highest elevation is 940, and the highest coordinate, select number 3. This is block size. Because this area is 451. We try to 5 by 5 size, 5 by 5, and Z in 2.5 or 2. Okay, select sub block blocking if the SA is input variable in 2.5, 2.5 and 1. Okay, apply. Five 2.5. We try to re-enter. Oh, it's okay. Bearing, no bearing, dip 0, blank 0, no change here. Okay, create block model. BM tutorial is developed here, and then we to display block model. Display block model, apply. Okay, block model. We want to know about the trend of this area, constrained by GTM, topographical area. This area, so start new graphical constraint, not constraint but GTM. Select the top tutorial one, add. We need the name, trend tutorial 1, save. Okay, apply. Wait for a minute. Yes. Oh, sorry, I'm wrong. Remove all graphical constraint. First save the block model before constraint must be saved. Okay, start GTM not above. Okay, must be not above. Add trend tutorial 1. Okay, apply. Okay, we have the trend of the area. We can toggle display off. Okay, off. We can on. Okay. Next, we want to know about the Brexit, where the delineation. Okay, start display, new graphical constraint. Constraint select train, and this solid model is 3DM, must be select 3DM. Select inside. Layer 1 is Brexia. I mean, sorry. Select, open, add. Okay, brings you to the layer 1. Apply. Okay, bismillah, apply. Yes. So this is the bricks here. The top must be closed. Okay, we have this area, but Brexy is still cover large area. We must constrain with the boundary of our body. Okay, still in the area, but this is out of the area. Okay, must be controlled by formation. Same with geological map. Okay. This display remove all graphical constraints. Start again. New graphical constraint to concentrate. Add TDM. BX section. And select string, the boundary of our body, of our formation. Open, add, select the same name, Brexia tutorial 1 layer, apply. Okay, match to the boundary of formation. Okay, next, remove all graphical constraint. Start to modeling the iron ores layer 1. Graphical constraint, terrain. Okay, select 3DM, iron ore, layer 2, open, select string to boundary or body. Okay, must be 2. Iron or 2. Okay, apply. Yes, yeah, good. Next, remove all graphical. Start new graphical constraint to train. Select 3DM4. Layer 3 is cow. Select string, boundary or body, add. Layer 3 KO. Apply. Okay, this is coordinate below the iron ore layer 2. Remove all graphical. Start for the next layer. Constraint terrain 3DM, layer of number 4 is iron ore, and then string or body, and layer 4. Okay, apply. The last is layer number 5, graphical constraint 3DM for layer 5, calling constraint by string or body. Number 5, layer 5, apply. Yes. Okay. Next, we remove all graphical constraint. We select the train only, new graphical train only. Okay, we start to estimation this block model by assign value. Simple input data using assign value. This is many method by inverse distance. Ordinary kriging is complicated in ordinary kriging, simple kriging, nearest neighbor. We use the assign value, but before start to assign value, must be input the attribute to the block model is by new, select material. This assign value using character. Okay, apply. Okay, check the view attribute for one block. Check for this block. No data lithology. We must input from material attribute for typical lithology or by assign value. Estimation, assign value, select material. First, select the Brixia is layer 1. Okay, Brixia layer 1 must be underscores and select Brixia 1. Apply constraint to BX layer 1. Okay, apply. Yes. Next, estimations the same material using after Brixie is iron ore. Iron 2, but must be underscores, yeah. Select the iron layer 2, apply. Okay, next material, select KO2 but KO layer 3. Use underscores to easy to understand the layer number. Apply, select KO3 layer 3. Okay, apply, save. Next, assign value for material, select iron 4. Iron 4, apply, yes. The last is material for KO5, apply, KO5, yes, clear. So we try to color this block model by lithology color. Display color model by attribute. Okay, material, select material, and then scan. Okay, we have 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay, the node data is in dark yellow, dark green. Is vegetation, brexy in light blue, iron 1, iron 2 in red color, iron 4 in orange, KO in calling it in yellow. Okay, light yellow for another KO. Okay, apply. Toggle off the polygon or and triangle edge. Okay, we have the lithology from section and to this block model display. So we try to check the attribute, view attribute for one block. We check this one. We have iron ore 2. Check here. Bricks here. Check this one. KO2, KO5, iron 4, and so on. Okay, we have finished for block model.